I just wanted to show everybody that this is how you do a Omega Quant test. You take this little lancet and you go like that, and then you are going to put your nice drop of blood in the middle of this thingy, and then if you're like me and you're not a good bleeder, you're gonna squeeze it a little bit more. And then you're gonna try to saturate that middle circle with a nice big circle of blood. And this doesn't hurt at all. There we go. Just kind of try to get it all the way on there. And basically you wanna register your test with the barcode that's on the back online. So that way when they get the results, they can email you right away. And I'm really looking forward to these results because I have finally been back on fish and fish oil supplements since the end of December, and now it's March 10th today. So I gave myself a good 12 weeks, I think, to kind of show what my Omega-3 index is when I eat my healthy fatty fish 3 times a week, and when I take my fish oil supplements, including LPC, Omega-3 every day. So now we can see what happens to my levels after being on that deprivation diet, where I tried to show everybody how much we're impacted when we don't eat any fish or take any fish oil supplements or Omega-3 supplements for 4 or 5 weeks. And if you recall from my previous videos and my Substack, my Omega-3 index dropped from like 8.13 to 5% in 5 weeks. That was actually more significant than the people at Omega Quant advised me would happen, and I think that's because I'm an an ApoE4 carrier, so I think we even might lose our levels faster, but I have to do more research on that. So now I've got my blood spot, and it's kind of annoying because now that it's got itself bleeding, it would love to bleed even more. So I'm gonna close up now, just show you one last time that, it's like, do a little last minute decoration here. There we go. So that's pretty good, right? And now I'll ship it off, and last time I did it, it took about 10 days to 2 weeks for them to get my results, and in another 2 or 3 weeks, I'll be starting a whole nother experiment that I'm really excited to tell everybody about. So I wanted to make sure that we had my levels in hand so we could kind of just, see if there's anything we can glean from, my bounce back, hopefully, with my Omega-3 index. All right, thanks for listening.